Microsoft Excel is a very powerful software. It can help you to automate your calculations and create graphs. It can also do the other things. Now let me use the data from experiment 1 to show you how to automate your calculations and create a graph from the data you get from the experiment or from your calculations. First, you find the icon for the Microsoft Excel software. Then you can click or double-click the icon. It will open the software. Then you move your mouse cursor to blank workbook. Then you click the left button of your mouse. It will open the software with a blank worksheet. Now let's pick a name to represent each column of your data. What name to choose is up to you. However, if you want to present your data to somebody else, you have to make sure they understand the meaning of the name you choose. Here, we choose mass of empty graduated cylinder to represent the mass of the empty graduated cylinder. After you type in all words within cell A1, cell A1 is this cell, A1 is this cell. You realize that not all words are within cell A1. To make sure all words are within cell A1, you have to format cell A1. Now let me show you how to do it. You move your mouse cursor within cell A1. Then click the right button of your mouse. You will see a menu pops up. Then move your mouse cursor to Format Cells. Click the left button of your mouse. You will see a window like this. If alignment is not highlighted, you can click the left button when the mouse cursor is at alignment. Then you move your mouse cursor to Wrap Text. Click the left button of your mouse. You will see a check mark. Then move your mouse cursor to OK button. Click the left button of your mouse. Then you can see that all words are within cell A1. However, when you look at the word graduated, it is in 2 lines. You prefer each word is within 1 line. To do that, you move your mouse cursor between A and B. Then hold the left button of your mouse down. Move your mouse to the right. Then release the left button. You will see that each word is within 1 line. If you want to make it look better, you can move your mouse cursor here. Click the left button of your mouse. Now you can see that the words are centered and you do not have blank space above the first word within the cell. Now let's type in the names of the other 3 columns. As you can see here, not all words within the cells are visible. To make them visible, you have to format the cells. You can follow the same procedure as I showed you a moment ago. Or, if you want to format the new cells with the same formatting as we did for A1, there is a shortcut for that. You move your mouse cursor within cell A1. Then click the left button of your mouse. Move your mouse cursor to the brush icon. Click the left button. Move your mouse cursor to cell B1. You will see a white cross with a brush icon. Then hold the left button of your mouse down. Move your mouse cursor to cover all cells you want to format. Then release the left button. The new cells will have the same formatting as A1. You have to adjust the width, so make sure each word within cells B1 until D1 is within 1 line. You can use the same method as we did a moment ago. Move your mouse cursor between B and C until you see a cross with double arrows. Then hold your left button down. Move your mouse cursor until the desired width of the cell. When you adjust the width, of one cell. It will adjust the width of all cells within the same column. You can also adjust the height of the cell. Move your mouse cursor here. You see a cross with double arrows, but this time the double arrows point up and down. You have to hold the left button of your mouse down. Then move your mouse cursor until the desired height. You can also click here. See what happens. Oh, I forgot to choose cell A1. Well, it works. Now let's type in all data. To avoid any accidental loss of our data, let's save the file right now. You move your mouse cursor to the disk icon. Click the left button of your mouse. Then it will allow you to choose where you want to save your file. You can click Browse. You can choose different places to save your file. Then you can give a name to your file. Let's pick Experiment 1. You click the Save button. Then the data is saved. Later on, if you want to save into the same file, all you need to do is you click the disk icon again. Then it will be saved. Now let's try to add more formatting to our table. You don't see the lines for this table. If you want to show the lines, move your mouse cursor to the first cell on the top left corner. Hold the left button down. Then move your mouse cursor to cover all the cells you want to format. After you chose all the cells, release the left button. Then move your mouse cursor to here. Choose all borders. Now you can see all the lines for this table.